Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered DirectX setup couldn't download the file error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is check whether we are signed into the administrator account. So for that we'll go to control panel, click on user accounts and then again user accounts, and then we will click on change your account type, and then you need to shift it to administrator and change the account type. Now for me it is grayed out because I have some settings that do not allow me to change it. There's another administrator for my laptop, so I need to contact him to change this. But if you can change it, then change the account type, only then the other fixes will work. So then the next thing we need to do after changing the administrator is to check whether we have internet. So we will check for internet here, click on this, and we are connected. If it's connected and you're still getting this error, then just click on disconnect, wait for around 10 to 20 seconds, and then click on connect again. If that's not working for you, then we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we'll go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then we will click on disable the Wi-Fi setting, and after around 30-40 seconds we will click on enable, and the internet should start working. If it's still not working, then we will flush the DNS and reset the network settings. So we will just copy and paste these commands one by one in the command prompt. Now these commands will be in the description of this video, so copy them one by one. First you'll reset the IP, then you'll reset the winsock, then you'll release the IP, renew the IP, and then you'll flush DNS. So right click, or you can run as administrator, and you'll paste this command here and press enter, right? And then you need to restart the computer. So we'll do that after we copy and paste all these commands into the command prompt. Now once we copy and paste all these commands, we will restart the computer. Click on the power button and click on restart, and now you should try installing DirectX again. If it's still showing the same error, then it could possibly be that your firewall or your antivirus is blocking the installation of DirectX. For that we need to go to virus and threat protection settings, and we need to go to manage settings. Now if you're using a third-party application antivirus like Kaspersky, Norton, or AVG, you need to turn off the protection in that third-party app. Here I'm using the pre-installed Windows antivirus, so I will turn it off, and I will also turn off firewall. So I'll look for firewall, right, and I will click on turn Windows Defender firewall off in the private network settings and in the public network settings, and click on OK. Once that is done, we will also make sure that .NET is enabled. So we'll go to features, turn Windows features on and off, and we will make sure that the .NET network 3.5, both these are checked, and .network 4.8, both of these are checked, and then we will click on OK. And it will, if it's not installed, it will install in your system, and it should. We'll move on to the next step, where we will download the DX setup. So we will look for DX June 2010, right? So you need to download DirectX and user runtimes June 2010. If you just look for DX June 2010, this link should pop up, and then you click on download. Now I've already downloaded this for you since it takes some time for the download. So let us go to the downloads folder where the file is. Now before this, we'll just open a new folder on the desktop. So right click on it, click on new folder, and we'll rename it DirectX. You can rename it whatever you feel like. Okay, DirectX, and then we'll go to the downloads folder, and we will right click on this, click on run as administrator, and then we'll click yes, and we'll click on browse. Now we will go to the desktop. Here we will expand the desktop, and we will select the folder that we have created on the desktop. click on OK, OK, and this should extract all the files in that folder. Open that folder and then look for DX setup. Here it is, DX setup. Right click on it, click on run as administrator, yes, and then I accept the agreement, next, and click on next, and it will start the installation. And once the installation is done, folks, remember, very critical, you need to go to virus and threat protection settings or your third party software, go to manage settings, make sure this is on, and go to firewall and make sure that both are turned on. If they are not turned on and you continue running the system with them both of them disabled, then your PC will be exposed to viruses and malware which can cause you a lot of problems. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.